everybody. So at AeroFarms, our mission is to build farms in cities all over the world so everyone has access to fresh, great tasting, safe food 365 days a year. We also aim to take an understanding of plant biology to new heights so we could solve more and more problems in the agriculture supply chain. And what I mean by that is, to date, AeroFarms has grown about 500 different varieties of plants. It doesn't mean that, and while we think we could grow anything, it doesn't mean we grow everything. And we have a lens of what makes economic sense and where we could add value to society. I'll also share, we've raised about 100 million to date, and I'll call out, we have 2 British investors since we're here in London. One is Grosvenor Estates, a group called Wheat Sheaf out of Grosvenor, and another is ADM. That's an agriculture investing group. Our aim is to continue to lower CapEx, lower OpEx, improve quality, so more and more varieties of products could be brought to customers year-round. To do that, we get very functionally deep. So we have extra expertise, and we develop more and more expertise in the mechanical design. Think of lights, frames, pumps coming in together. We have structural engineers, electrical, mechanical, PLC, process industrial systems, all these engineers working to drive costs down. Then we work on the biology. We have plant biologists, physiologists, pathologists, molecular biologists, microbiologists. Then we work on the genetics. Then we also work on the operations. We have about 200 SOPs, all how do we improve quality, lower costs. And we also work on the systems design, the data analytics as well. We're as much a data science company as anything else. And the data science allows us to course correct in how we grow. My biggest surprise in this journey is we're not only growing plants, but we're growing them at a higher degree of quality. As we scaled up, we realized one wants to scale up, improve yield, which relates to cost of goods sold, but also improve quality. And the two don't always go hand in hand, especially scaling biological systems. There are non-intuitive challenges. We've built 9 farms to date. We've built ones the size of this floor, one the size of this room, one the size of this building, et cetera, et cetera. And the problems we've had to solve and overcome were very different at different levels of scale. And again, the challenge, keeping quality as well as costs. To lower costs, we've also realized we need to improve automation. So we have automation in seeding, harvesting, cleaning, packaging. The first slide showed our 4th iteration of design. Now we're working on our 5th that has automation between all these components. That, of course, lowers the labor component of cost of goods sold. Also, it could impact quality as well. We also put partnerships together with various stakeholders that could improve and get us to our goals faster. So here, Dell, for example, they have Pivotal, VMware, EMC, and of course their hardware component. And they help us accelerate the data analytics, the systems design. We have thousands of sensors everywhere, how we take the data and how it makes us better farmers. And here it's changing the algorithm in which each variety grows. We grow plants to improve taste, texture, nutritional density, shelf life, color, et cetera, et cetera. I'll leave you with an image of the kids. So here, well, actually, I'll leave you with my contact info. But the kids is important. We realize. We'll go back to the kids. No. We put a farm in an inner city school in Newark to get the kids to have better eating habits. And after operating there a few years, Michelle Obama came to visit it. We got the kids eating leafy greens instead of fries. And that's something we're also, part of our mission is to develop better eating habits. So anyway, with that, thank you very much.